Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I'm going to introduce this 7-inch IPS touchscreen DVD player for Kia Sorento 29 to 2012 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is the box. Let me open the box. And you can check the unit with good condition. Okay. This is head unit, Kia Sorento. Okay, let me introduce harness it first. You can check this Kia power cable. This is connector. Okay, you can check this AMP amplifier 12 voltage. It's blue and white. It's K2 for steering wheel control. It's reserving in wire. This black wire do not need to connect. Okay. This is the install part, left and right, with screws. Okay. Okay, it comes with a remote controller. This front mini USB. This external microphone and the radio antenna. This camera input. This AUX input, left and right, and camera input. This audio combo. This subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. This AUX out front and rear, left and right. Okay. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, this head unit, you can check the side. And this side. And there are 2 screws. Please take it out before installing these 2 screws. Okay, let me check the back. There is a GPS antenna. This is connection GPS antenna and 2 USB cable and the external microphone. Okay, this is a long cable. This is USB connection. It's USB. This Wi-Fi antenna. This is radio antenna. This connection. This radio antenna. This is power. This fuse. Okay. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check the head unit start. Still. Okay. Okay, please take it out before installing this screw protector. This is wallpaper, and you can adjust the brightness. Okay, long press it will display wallpaper. You can set wallpaper. Okay. The volume button and DVD slots is 2 SD card slots. This is USB, mini USB front. This is time update by GPS and network like Wi-Fi. It's radio. You can click the search button, you will get the radio station. This home button. A very fast response. DSP amplifier, it's built in DSP. Okay, it's built in Google Maps and Play Store. It supports video out. Okay, let me check the settings. Part motion, you can check MCU variant. CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, is PX5. The Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back the home and let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check car settings, personal settings, LED settings. You can change the red with button color, change gray, blue, and orange. Any color you can adjust this panel. Click OK. It autoplay music. Connect the USB SD card. This is AC power and illumination. Sphere battery, Bluetooth phone, night mode. This navigation settings. You can set the Google Maps navigation sound. It's GPS test. You can check this have view. It's GPS on, GPS normal. Okay, drum and settings. You can this reserve volume. You can turn off, turn on, turn off. Watch video. And backup camera, ruler, tracking display, X mirroring. It's steering wheel control. It supports steering wheel control. Okay. Okay, this upgrade and restore system. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.